The GoHimal double roller bowling bag securely cradles 2 bowling balls in padded molded cups, so the balls stay protected and do not knock into each other in transit. Its rolling design, with a wide rubber wheelbase and a smoothly telescoping handle, makes it easy to pull through crowded alleys and parking lots without feeling tippy. A dedicated ventilated upper compartment keeps a pair of large bowling shoes isolated from the balls and gear, which helps control odors and grime. Between the mesh pocket over the ball compartment and the roomy front pocket, there is plenty of organized space for towels, wrist supports, cleaner, and small personal items. The bag is built from dense polyester fabric with sturdy stitching and solid zippers, giving it a reassuringly rugged feel for frequent league or tournament play. Thoughtful touches like the tall handle height, stable rolling platform, and multiple color choices make this bag feel tailored to serious bowlers who want convenience and style together.